everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making breakfast using the Itaki Chef Pro. Now for those of you guys that are not familiar with this gadget here, it is an electric lunchbox. So please refer to my previous video where I reviewed this product in detail. For the ingredients, you're going to need 2 medium eggs, 1/4 teaspoon salt, optional onion and garlic powder, 2 pears peeled, 1½ tablespoons of brown sugar, and spinach. Let's start by beating the eggs. Add in your salt, your garlic and powder, onion powder, everything in there. It's delicious. And your spinach. Now this will go in your tiny container. That's looking delicious already. And now for your pears. You're going to roll your pears in your brown sugar. Work it in there. Yeah. Let the sugar bite, the sugar crystals bite into the pears, into the flesh of the pears. There you go. Everything on that thing, that delicious pear. Perfect. I lay them down so our top container with the omelette can sit nicely on there. Not bad. Now we're gonna put in our water. Probably a little bit more, because last time I did 1 3/4, so that's about right. And there you go. Last time I put the lid on, and the Wow Zone team came back to me via email saying that this is just for transport use, it's not for cooking use. So we'll leave it out this time, and we're gonna close it up, and we're gonna plug it. Okay, let's see. Now, little guy, do your thing. So our Itaki just shut off, and it feels very hot, so be careful opening it. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's a little bit of that hissing sound. You know, a little bit of steam happening still in there. So anyway, here goes. Ooh, it looks delicious. Want to show you guys. It's nicely done omelette. Beautiful. Beautiful. It cooked so well in there. As for our pears, let's just see. Look at that. Okay, for our pears, after steaming for half an hour, I thought they would be a little more tender than this, but you know what? Let's just have a go at this. Let's taste this. is really good. Oh wow. It's absolutely delicious. Mmm. Very wonderful combination. Just beautiful together. So guys, till next time, I gotta eat. I'll see you next time.